Hey G Squad, welcome back to episode of Is It Worth It? So today's episode, we got this cool umbrella here, and pretty much what this is umbrella. And the cool thing about this umbrella is not like a regular umbrella. It doesn't just open up one way, it opens up reverse. Let me actually open up to show you guys what I mean. First thing inside, they do provide you guys a user manual to teach you guys how to use it. But if you guys do take out the wrapper, once you guys do take it out, here's what the umbrella looks like. For the top part right here, they do give you a wrist strap option to put on your wrist. On the side of the product, they do have the brand name. When you guys do feel the handle right here, it definitely gives you guys a very nice grip. You can see the way how it's designed right here. And then for the umbrella, they do give you guys a cover. And on this cover, it gives you guys an option to put it on your shoulder like this, to carry around really easily if you guys do want to. And also on the umbrella, you can see they do have the brand name. And on the side right here, they do give you guys an option for you guys to pull it to actually open up. Just like that. So as to open it, let's take it out. Once you guys do take it out, here's what the umbrella looks like. So right here is the top, here is the side. You can see right here, they also have the brand name. And right here at the bottom, they do have the button for you guys to push to open it. And right here, we do have the design of the umbrella. So for the one that I got right here is like a Starry Night design. They do have this available in many other designs as well. So you definitely want to do your own research to see which you prefer. But supposedly how this works is that once you guys push the button to open it, it goes this way. It doesn't like pan out like a regular umbrella. If you see the length of the umbrella is not like your compact umbrella, it is longer. This is probably around like 2 or 3 of your regular umbrella. But just like any umbrella, they do have the strap for you guys to organize it, to strap it together. So this is what the umbrella looks like when you guys do get it. Let me actually open up and show you guys what it looks like. So I have to open it. When you guys open it like that, this is what the inside looks like. And then here is the inside. And when you guys do look at the umbrella right here, if you see there's a bunch of holes. So I'm assuming for this hole, it allows the water to fall off really easily when you guys do use it. But if you guys push the button, once you guys push it, it'll lock it, and you guys have to push it all the way out. And that is what the umbrella looks like once you guys do fully open it. So here is the inside, and here is outside. So the material that's on here is like a Teflon coating material. So when you do use it, the water should slide off really easily. But when you guys do feel the material that's on here, it does feel like a high quality material. Same thing for the inside as well. When you guys do feel it, it does feel really nice. And when you guys do feel the shaft right here, it actually feels like a high quality material as well, if you guys can hear. And it actually has this really nice smooth material on here when you guys do look at it. So I bring up close. I'm not sure if you can see the material that's on here. And when you guys feel each one of these ribs right here that's holding the umbrella up, it actually feels pretty sturdy. And for this umbrella, they do have 2 layers. One is the outer layer right here, and the other one's inside. So you can see how when I do open up, you can see how there's 2 different layers. And supposedly having that option is supposed to help the umbrella prevent it from flipping. That's probably why there's also these holes as well. Not only does it help the water come out easier, but probably for the wind to come out really easy as well, which is really nice. And for these ribs I mentioned on here, they mention how it's like a fiberglass material, so it is pretty strong. The way how you close it up, you guys want to push a button and pull it back in and lock it in, and it's all set. And supposedly the way how they designed this umbrella, if you guys want to put it down on the ground, it does stand up by itself, which is pretty nice. So having that option how it just stands up by itself like that is actually pretty cool. So that we can dry it much faster. Or if you guys want to open it up and let it dry like that, you guys can do that as well. So that is everything that's on the product. Now I'm just going to test it out to see how well the Teflon coating is on here in terms of water resistant or waterproof material. And then we'll come back and talk more about it in a second. Alright, so right here I do have the umbrella. What we're going to do is turn the water and test it out. Alright, so we got the water. Let's give it a try. Let's turn off the water. So if you see when we do test it out, it does work. You can see how all the water slides off really easily. So we have to pat it out. All the water just comes off really easily, you can see. So the material that's on here is waterproof and water resistant. You can see how it does come off really easily. Welcome back guys. So next off we test the product, and definitely actually does work, and actually works quite well. But we see how when we do test it out, the water does slide off really easily. So that way you know the Teflon coating on there definitely does work to prevent the water from staying on. And obviously when they mention how it is wind resistant or wind proof, you still want to be careful when you guys do hold it and hold it at a certain angle. So that way your umbrella will not flip. But the overall design of the umbrella, if you guys can see, is actually very unique. How she gives you guys the option to open a different way, and also how she has double layer. And then probably one of the coolest thing is the fact that how it does stand up by itself when you guys do put it down. That way all the water can fall down one direction, which is pretty cool. But that is everything that's on the product. Now to unboxing and testing product. Now to answer the question of whether or not it's worth it or not. So for this product, I do have to say that it's pretty worth it. If you guys want to need one of these, especially if you guys are in the market looking for a high quality umbrella, they give you guys a similar design as what you guys get right here. And also probably the same benefit in terms of wind resistant or windproof or water resistant or waterproof, then I do have to say that it's pretty worth it. But obviously for those of you guys who don't want or don't need one or have one of these, obviously don't buy one. And save your money on something else actually do need. So that's basically everything for this video itself. If you guys like this video, make sure to smash that like button in the bottom. That will definitely help this video out, and it will definitely help with the algorithm as well to promote more videos for you guys so you guys can see more of the videos or similar videos as well. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace.